Good morning, YouTube. It's your girl AK. It's Tuesday, 8 in the morning, right? So a little update on my gold trade, right? I was potentially about to set another position. Like I had a buy stop order and I just deleted that order. And let me show you why I deleted that order. Basically, in 1 hour we had this break of structure, right? I was waiting for this potential correction and then impulse to the upside, but instead we actually broke this low on the 1 hour, right? So I actually deleted this order, right? This buy stop order, because we just broke this low, right? So this is no longer valid, so I'm deleting this. And now I'm currently trying to decide like what I'm gonna do with this trade. I don't know if I'm gonna close, keep holding, because even on the 4 hour, as you can see right here on the 4 hour, we had this pullback and then we pulled up and then we broke 4 hour structure. So yeah, I'm definitely considering closing this trade because we are breaking structure to the downside and that is going against the trend. Maybe, I don't know. Look at the daily time frame. Yeah, I don't like how that's looking. Like I don't love that, right? So I might end up having to close this position out early, which I do not love. Cannot lie. I'm gonna hold a little bit longer to see what this pullback looks like. If the pullback creates a lower high and then it looks to go back down even more, then I'm definitely going to close the trade. But if it was just like some kind of market open drop situation and we're going back up, then I'll just keep holding it. But yeah, gold not looking the best right now, not gonna lie. As for GJ, so GJ actually gave us a push to the upside, and I actually intended on entering right here at this level, but y'all, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I fell asleep. I ain't gonna lie, it was like no, it wasn't even that late. I don't know what I was doing, y'all. Like I was looking at it and then I fell asleep. I don't know what happened. Like I don't know what happened. But I missed the entry. I fell asleep. I woke up, I saw it shot up, and I was like, oh. So yeah, unfortunate, but it's okay because GJ cannot push up forever. At some point we do need to get some kind of correction and then look to continue to push up to this level. So that is what I'm waiting for, right? You even see it on EJ. If I jump to EJ gave us the same exact push to the upside. So hopefully we get some kind of correction on either EJ or GJ to look to see we can basically trade it back up to this level. I just realized that I did not have my microphone plugged into my camera. I have it plugged in now. I apologize for those first 3 minutes of horrible audio, but we're good now. I'm not repeating what I just said. But yeah, y'all, everything, you know, we're not starting off on the best note this morning, not gonna lie, but it's okay, right? Because I got one more apartment tour today, right? And then after that, I picked my apartment, and I'm so excited for that. In fact, I'm kind of debating if whether or not I'm even going to do this apartment tour, because I really love that apartment that I saw yesterday. Like it was like beautiful, like it had everything I needed. And I really want to apply for it and just do it, That's how I'm feeling right now. But we'll see. I'll keep y'all updated on that in my life. But yeah, I got to go to the office today. Got to work. So I'm going to kind of watch gold, but not really. Like if I start really reversing, okay, we don't got to go because no. But yeah, y'all, let's see how today goes. All right. What's up, YouTube? I'm back. It is Wednesday. It's like end of the day Wednesday. Update, because it's been a while since I updated y'all. Currently still not in the trade. I unfortunately missed GJ again, bro. Like I was staying up. I promise you I was staying up. And I actually let me show y'all. Yeah, GJ gave that correction. Gave me that push, but I fell asleep. I'm not gonna lie. I fell asleep again. EJ did it too. We had a nice pullback and then I missed it, bro. So I was actually up during this pullback, right? I actually could have got in around this time. The problem was I was trying to wait for a more sniper entry on the 15, right? I was trying to wait for, I think at one point I actually did enter on this impulse up, right? But I noticed that we started like pulling back and I was like, oh wait, I can get a more, sniper entry. So I actually closed out and I was waiting for this 15-minute pullback because I wanted to get like a 15. I wanted to put my stop loss underneath like a 15-minute low, right? See how that significantly changes our risk to reward from a 1 to 4 to 1 to 8. Like I wanted a sniper entry, and that's what I was waiting on. But I think sometime in between waiting on this pullback is when I fell asleep, and I woke up to this giant, humongous engulfing candle, y'all. Like I woke up and my heart sank, bro. I was like, there's no way I just fell asleep. I was so upset, y'all. Like, I'm still a little upset. Like, it's crazy when if I lose a trade, I don't really get upset because like I executed, I followed my plan and I was just wrong. But when I miss a trade, y'all, it is the most annoying thing in the world. Like, it's like waiting, especially as a swing trader. As a swing trader, like waiting multiple days for your entry, and then you miss the entry, like, and then you're right, and then it goes your way, and it's like, bro. So yeah, I missed the entry. It sucks. I hope y'all caught it because I called it out on Sunday, right? I made another video on Monday. I called it out. I hope y'all caught it. I really do. Really do. Because that was a really good move. Like, I hope y'all ate on that move because I did not. So, but yeah, currently I was looking at gold. Gold, at one point I actually got back in, but then it broke structure again. I was like, okay, are we going bearish again? So gold is starting to confuse me with the structure. Let me show y'all. So here's gold. If y'all remember, I exited my position because I saw that we broke this 1 hour low. Like, we had a break to the downside, right? So I was like, okay, cool, right? But then the 1 hour structure started shifting back up again, right? So we're shifting up, right? We break these 1 hour highs, right? So we break structure and then we retest this level. So I'm like, okay, cool. So on this break and retest move, I actually re-entered for buys again, right? And I was holding up and I had my stop loss below here, right? But then we came and we broke 1 hour structure again. So I'm like, bro, what are we doing? Like, what is going on here? Like, we're just too choppy, right? Price eventually came back to my entry, and that's when I just chose to get out because I cannot tell what gold wants to do right now. Like, I'm very confused, right? I can't tell if, like, on the 4 hour, if I go to a 4 hour, right, we see this slight low right here. I can't tell if I need to count that as like an actual low or not, because if this is a low, right, then if that's the case, then we have a break of structure to the downside, and then this is the correction, and then we're looking to continue down. And because we closed on the 1 hour, right, like the 1 hour closed below this level, it didn't just wick, like it closed down here. It had me thinking that we might be dropping pretty soon. Like, anytime I'm looking at a position and I'm confused, like I don't know what it wants to do, that's like a red flag of like, maybe I should not be in this trade. Like, maybe I should not be in this position. Because when you're trading, like, you want to trade something where it's like clear as day. Like, you want to trade it to where it's like elementary, like it's easy. Like, you could, like, it's easy to tell where it's going. If you're confused on where the direction the trade's gonna go, you don't want to be in that trade. Like, you should be confident, and right now I am not confident in gold. I don't know where it wants to go. If I'm being honest, I don't know. So now that I'm looking at gold on the daily time frame, I think gold is actually possibly looking for a deeper retracement before having that big impulse up. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, like, the support has to be getting higher and higher, right, and higher. And I think we're looking to make another support on this daily time frame, right? Here's price right now. I wouldn't be surprised if price came down for another correction to make a new support and then have that push up, right? So I think I just need to catch gold at a daily support level. I think that's really what I need to do. Like, catch gold down here. What I might need to do, I might need to draw like a Fibonacci tool from this swing low to this swing high and see like how far do we really want to retrace down here, and can I catch another, you know, position on gold on a support level. I think this would be more ideal. It would be a better position for long-term holding, right, than cashing something up here. So I think overall getting out was smarter. Waiting for the better position for long-term holding seems a lot smarter. So I'm probably going to set some alerts on these fib levels on my 50 and on my 61%, right, as well as this previous area broken structure to see where price may want to start, you know, reverse it back up. So yeah, sour week, not gonna lie. It was supposed to be a winning week. It's crazy, but it's okay. On the bright side, I just applied for my apartment and I got pre-approved. Yay. So I'm about to be moving very soon. Still doing paperwork, still doing all that things. I'm about to have a bunch of boxes in my house and just like packing up a bunch of million things. So that's exciting. So that's the highlight of my week right now, is basically me getting approved for an apartment. So I'm very excited for that. I'm still grateful. I'm grateful for the opportunity. I'm grateful for like being here, right? I just have a lot of gratitude. I'm grateful that trading is helping me be able to break my lease, right? I'm breaking this lease in the trading profits is going to help a lot with paying for that. So I'm grateful for that as well, right? So there's a lot of things to be grateful for regardless of what's going on in my situation, right? But yeah, I hope y'all are doing well. I am probably going to end this vlog here because I don't see anything happening anytime soon. I will pick it up. I think I'm going to work on the video tonight on market structure. Way overdue, right? So I'm going to work on that pretty soon. But yeah, I really hope y'all caught that GJ move or yen pair or UJ, whatever you trade. All the yen pairs went crazy last night. So I hope y'all caught it. I need to move to London or Tokyo or whatever because y'all have the best setups for these yen pairs. I swear, y'all have the best setups. Anyways, until next time, I hope y'all are doing well in the market. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Until next time, y'all. Bye.